On today's recipe video, I'm going to be using this salsa to make my whole food plant-based salsa vegan burger. I really hope you can stick around and see exactly how it's made. Welcome back to the kitchen, and for today's salsa burgers, we're just going to need just a few ingredients really. First of all, I'm going to be using my Ninja Auto IQ food processor. Any food processor will work, a stand mixer will also work, and you can do this by hand. It'll take just a little bit longer. I'm going to be using 1 cup of cooked black beans that have been drained. We've got 1 cup of rice. I'm using a brown rice. I've got 1 cup of oats. That can be whole rolled oats, or that can be or old-fashioned rolled oats, or that can also be quick cooking oats. And then we have a dry spice mix of 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And then lastly, we have 1/4 cup of your favorite salsa. This is where you can keep it more mild, or you can get it really spicy like I like it. But we're gonna make it really simple. It's such a beautiful day that I think I'm gonna go outside, get the grill heated up, and we'll end up cooking these on the grill. But you can also cook these in the oven at 400 degrees, about 25 minutes on some parchment paper or a silicone mat. I'm gonna bring you guys in here and we're gonna get started on today's recipe video. To get started on today's recipe, all we're going to need to do is load up our food processor. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the brown rice. We have our oats. We have our black beans, and then our salsa, and lastly our spices, which is a teaspoon of garlic powder and then onion powder. Now I am going to process this with my this is the normal food processor, not using my dough blades or anything, but roughly at a medium speed for probably around a minute. So we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, our mixture has been mixing for about a minute. You might have to scrape down the sides once or twice to get it to where you want, but we've got a good consistency there. Now we're going to bring it over to the countertop and get some patties formed. Okay, we are back. We've got our mixture here. We've got our cutting board, and I will be using a patty press. Now you can get any sort of patty press. You can also just use your hands and ball them up, but I really like this patty press. So I've got that here. We've got our mixture. Now all I'm going to do is take some out. I like to get it in a nice ball. And once you get the hang of it, you'll kind of know how much to use. And we'll just take our patty press, press it down, and we've got a patty. So now this is ready to go, and we can take this out to the grill. And I'm going to patty the rest of them up. We'll get this out to the grill and get these going. Welcome back. We're here at the grill. I got it heated up nice and hot because when I get these burgers on the grill, one thing I want to know, I want you guys to know and look for is to get the grill nice and hot, because when we get these burgers on there, we want a little layer to form, and that way they're not going to fall apart and be crumbly like a lot of other veggie burgers. So we're going to get these on. I've got the grill nice and hot, and we're going to have them on 5 minutes each side, give or take, depending on how hot or the temperature your grill runs, but 5 to 8 minutes a side. Mine's about 5 minutes, so we're going to get these on. Okay, our 5-minute timer just went off. I'm going to go ahead and flip one of these guys. And as you can see, absolutely perfect. That looks wonderful. Now we're going to let these all go for another 5 minutes, and we'll be back when they're done. Our second 5-minute timer just went off. Just going to flip that over, see that it's cooked. Awesome. Now I'm going to get these taken inside. I am going to get the kitchen cleaned up a little bit and probably get a whole wheat bun, and we will get this going, and I'll see you back in the kitchen. I am back. I got the kitchen tidied up. The grill worked great. We're getting some unseasonably warm weather right now, and so I've been really enjoying it. So we've got our salsa burger. I put a little romaine and some salsa on there, so I'm going to give it a bite. That is fantastic. As you can see, we've got the burger and the lettuce and the bun, and it's just a whole wheat bun. I look for ones that have no oil. A lot of stores that are around us carry them, so we enjoy them. And this is a great burger recipe. Again, if you don't have a grill or you don't want to get outside for the grill, maybe you're in Antarctica and it's negative 30 degrees outside, you can always bake these at 400 degrees for around 25 minutes, and they turn out great just like that. But really a simple recipe, one that I enjoy a lot. And I know a lot of you guys enjoy the burger recipes. They're a great transition food and a great food just to have, because they're completely whole food, plant-based, completely real ingredients that you don't have to worry about, ones that you should be looking to add into your diet anyways. So it's a great way to add those in, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a like and a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with all your friends, share it on Facebook, share it on YouTube, so everybody else can see how to make this simple and easy vegan salsa burger. And as always, this recipe and all of my past and present and future recipes can be found at plantbasedgabriel.com. I am Plant Based Gabriel, thanking you so very much for watching, and I will hopefully see you very, very soon.